Giveaway time. If you guys want to win, I'm giving away this brand new cat graded sample slab. Okay, it is from the A&A in Pittsburgh, and I'm gonna give it away to one of you guys. All you have to do is comment why you want a new cat graded slab and what you're gonna do with it. You're gonna sell it, you're gonna collect it. I don't care if you're gonna sell it, just let me know. Be honest. Yeah, give it to your kids, whatever. One of you are gonna win this. All you have to do is comment and make sure you're looking out if you win. What's up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to fill out your very first PCGS submission, guys. So let's get right into it. I'm going to change the camera view right now. Alright, guys, here's the PCGS submission. You can kind of only see a little piece of it, but I'm going to show you guys all of it, okay? So today, we are using a US coin submission form. They call it an agreement, but I just call it a form, guys. So there's, you know, their shipping address, their phone number, their email, and here are all the guidelines. So when you're submitting, you know, you look over here, number of coins. Oh, I'm submitting 6 coins, and the value is going to be, 2,500, so it's going to be 38 bucks. So basically, you kind of just, you know, fold this page back, have some fun, and then basically we come in here, and what you're going to do is you're going to fill out the top information all with your information, okay? So I'm kind of just going to fill it out with, like, you know, random information, guys, but I'm going to give you the good idea, okay? So you're going to put your number, so your member name and number. I put my number first, so let's just say 1112. It's not my number. And then I slash it, and then I put, you know, my name, so it's going to be Colton. I put my last name, Merrill. And then, you know, you put your address, which, you know, we're just going to do like Jeff. And then, you know, 2122, I don't know, Gold Street. And then, you know, your address, you know, 777 777 777 7. You know, you guys get the idea. Your email. Okay, and then here's where we get into the cool stuff. So, your service groups, you're going to do one of these per form, okay? Usually what I do is I just do standard, okay? You can do the gold shield, but it's going to depend on the service that you choose, which we'll get into in a second. These ones, I usually don't do anything right here. If you don't want a details coin to be holdered, that you just want them to send it back in a, you know, in a flip, then you can click do not holder, but I usually just leave it blank or click holder with details. And then we're going to come over here, and there are there's kind of 5 options. They kind of split it up, which kind of confuses a few people. But in this form, we're just going to be doing grading. I will make a video about these separate ones later. And then, I mean, you can come over here and, you know, do full grade, plus grade, whatever. I don't do any of that kind of stuff usually. And then usually what you do, we're going to get into the coins. So I have a few separate coins kind of just to show you guys what to do and what not to do. So this coin, I did crack it out of a, quote, NAC holder, which is a basement slab. This coin is obviously not an MS68. I mean, it's probably like a 65 or a 66, which I'll probably make, you know, $5-10 bucks on it if I get it graded, right? So what you're going to want to do, obviously, you want to keep this fancy little label, or maybe you don't, but you're not going to want to send it to PCGS, okay? You're going to take it out and make sure that this thing is just the coin, okay? And then you see this is a 2x2 flip. You're not going to send any of these, okay? You're not going to be sending any 2x2 flips with staples, none of that kind of stuff. And you're also not going to send any 2x2 flips. I currently don't have any on my, I do actually. You're not going to send any of these 2x2 flips, okay? Definitely not going to do that, all right? You're going to get 2x2 1/4 by 2 1/4 flips, okay? Here's the difference. They're a little bit bigger. You're going to get those, and, you know, then you're going to put them all together, and then I like to rubber band them together so they don't move and they stay, okay? You're going to want to make sure it's very nice to put them in order. So right now they're not in order. Let's put them in order. Putting them in order and putting them in order on your form makes it very easy for PCGS to go through them. And so now what we're going to do is you kind of look at the value. You kind of go like, oh, this one's worth like, you know, 400 bucks. This one's worth like, you know, 100. Oops, put them inside each other. This one's worth like 50, and then this one's worth like, you know, like 200, right? So see how this one's worth more than 300? Well, then you can't send it as economy. You know, that's not good. Then you'd have to send it as regular, which is $20 more basically. So what you can do is you can either take this coin out and just, submit it separately, or you can kind of include it and just kind of insure it for a lesser amount. This coin actually, it really isn't worth $400. I was just kind of giving you that little piece. So you're going to select economy, and then here's when we get into the gold shield or not. So see these ones with gold shield over here. So this is what the gold shield is, and then it has the professional true views, which are the the very, very high quality pictures that they take for you. That's only $5. I do it on my higher value coins, not really anything lower than like $50. And then this is what a regular slab looks like. This one doesn't have a gold shield, and these ones don't have true views. Usually you can get true views without gold shield, but I recommend getting gold shield with true views. So what you can do is you can either click gold shield up here, but that's only going to give you the anti-counterfeiting and the anti-counterfeiting. If you're going to want true views in a submission like economy, what you're going to want to do is come over here to add-on services, and you're going to want to select true view for that specific coin. Any coin that is economy, not modern, you're not going to be able to get it as a first strike, so don't be messing around with that. Variety attribution, you're going to want to go to pcgs.com/variety attribution to see if your coin qualifies. And then an oversized holder, usually that is only for oversized coins, so don't really be messing with that in your first submission. Okay, now filling out the actual submission form. Let's do this with this coin right here. So you're going to see this coin is an 1879, and then what is it? It doesn't tell you, but it's a 3-cent nickel. This is a 3-cent nickel. So what you're going to do, I'm going to fold this a little bit lower now so you can see most of it. You're going to go, there are one of these. The coin number you don't really need. You don't have to put anything there. You can just leave it blank. I just put something there so you guys would know. And then you're going to put 1879, and then is there a mint mark? No. And then you're going to put 3CN, the 3-cent nickel, right? Coin variety or description, you can put what you think it is, like mint state, or you can put proof if it's a proof, or you can just leave it blank. That's okay. This is for encapsulated coins only right here, these two. So you don't need to put anything there for this submission, okay? Minimum grade, you don't really have to put anything there unless you want it to be graded something. If you're looking at it, you're like, wow, this one's really nice for like a 63, then just put, 63. But 9 out of 10 times I leave that blank on a raw submission. But then this one is required. Declared value, usually I like to over-insure just so it's safe, just in case, it does end up getting, stolen or lost or anything, then my money is going to be safe. So for this one, they cannot be more than $300, right? So basically, I'm going to look at this coin like, it's worth like $200. So let's insure it for 10% over 220. Oop, that's 222. 225, and then I'm safe. So then what I do is I like to put it face down. That's the first coin in the submission. Next, here's a coin that everybody knows. This will make it easy. A 1943, what is it? D 5-cent nickel, okay? So there's one of them. It is a 1943 D, and it is 5 cents. Here, with these ones with designations, you can put, full steps or whatever you'd like. You can put full steps. And then with the coins that have like a D over D RPM, you put D over D. Obviously, you want to try to put it in the same line. And let's just say this coin's really nice. You want true views of it, so you just check it. You leave this box blank. You can leave this box blank as well, and then you insure it. Let's just say this coin is worth $75, so we're going to do $100, okay? Now, I'm not going to do the other coins just because I don't want this video to be 45 minutes long. We're going to come down here, all the way down here, okay? So both of those coins we want true views on, right? So we're going to kind of circle this to make sure that they remember to take true views of my coins, because sometimes they do forget, I will tell you. And then here we add these numbers up, $325. And then you kind of circle it. That's the total amount insured. Number 8 on the box is optional. I don't usually fill it out because I just use what they use. Number 9 is required, so you do need to figure that out. Up here we have 2 coins by $23. which is $46. The add-on fees is your TrueView fees. It is $10. The Gold Shield fee is $0. Not using any vouchers, no special labels. Handling is always $10. The CC membership fee, none for right now. The return shipping fee is the one that you saw on the front. So we're kind of just going to look at this again. You have less than 4 coins, less than 1,000, so $27. So 37, 47 plus 46. I don't even know. We're just going to do 100 just because I can't do math. I can't do sevens in my head for some reason. Okay, and then your payment type. Obviously, this is what you're going to do. So, you sign it, you date it, whatever, 9/9/22. Obviously, that's not the date, but that's because, I don't want anybody using this. And then, obviously, you sign this, you do this, and you put your numbers in. I usually do CC, which is credit card, but you can do a check. I don't know what CCOF means, and I don't know what LLC means, but I do know what cash means because I've never done these. So, to be completely honest, I don't know what they mean. And then what you do is you are going to, so we did 2 coins in this one. What you're going to do is you're going to want to rubber band them together, right? So let's get a rubber band. Rubber banding them together is probably the safest way to kind of ship them out. If you want to put like a piece of paper in between them or whatever you want to do, that is a-okay. But they are going to take the coins out of the flips. As you see, I have 2 different flips. I just wanted to kind of give you guys, there is a variety. These are the ones that PCGS gives you at the table if you're submitting at a show. And these are the ones that I personally buy there by Guardhouse. And so what I do is I like to go across and then you go over, right? And now they're pretty tight. And then what I like to do is I like to open it all the way up. This top page with the fees, you can kind of get rid of it. You do make your own label and use your own dime to send it to them. And their mailing address is on this first page right here. This is where you mail it to. The name, the address, the city, the state, the zip code. What I like to do is I like to take a picture of this first page with the picture with the coins out, kind of just so I remember what I'm submitting. And I like to, get a picture of how much I'm going to be charged. And I like to have a picture of the submission number just in case. And then I did lie. Right before you ship it out, you take this piece off. This yellow piece is yours to keep. So you can fold this up, fold it up 6 times, fold it up 2 times, whatever you like to do. I like to fold it up kind of like this, so it kind of fits in my pocket almost. And then you can just put it in a box, right over here. And then you keep it right there. See? Okay. And then that's when you fold it up into the package, with the pink one on the back. Fold it up, everything's good, all tight. And then when you are done in the box, they send this yellow one back with it. And so that is how you do your very first PCGS submission, everybody. It's pretty easy, it's pretty simple. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure you leave a like and let me know what you guys think. I hope to hear from you guys. Let me know what you guys think. And I just want to let you guys know, yes, you know what time it is. Heard it at the very beginning, and you're hearing it again, guys. This is the time. Giveaway time. If you guys want to win, this is not the same one as last time, guys. This is a different one. I'm giving away this brand new cat graded sample slab. Okay, it is from the A&A in Pittsburgh, and I'm gonna give it away to one of you guys. All you have to do is comment why you want a new cat graded slab and what you're gonna do with it. You're gonna sell it, you're gonna collect it. I don't care if you're gonna sell it, just let me know. Be honest. Yeah, give it to your kids, whatever. One of you are gonna win this. All you have to do is comment, and we'll make sure you're looking out if you win. Hey guys, I hope you guys all have an amazing day today. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of the day. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like right now, guys, and come back for more. If you want to see another video with a different type of submission on how to do it, or something special, just let me know. I'll make a video for it. It doesn't really matter to me. If it takes 10 minutes, it takes 10 minutes. I'll make a video. Yeah, I hope you guys all have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, goodbye, everybody. Love you guys.